What's up, YouTube? So we're gonna get started by taking these wheels apart. I gotta take off all the spokes, get the hubs out, the rims, everything, get the tires off, get the forks off of this one, and then take those to the powder coaters.
Diedrich's channel for assembly and restoration. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Alright, we're gonna start with the back wheel. We just have to let all the air out so we can get the tire off the wheel. Now let's loosen up the bead lock. Right there. Let's see. So we're gonna start on the front wheel first. I have a Tusk spoke wrench I just picked up. So we ran into two major issues. The brake calipers, they all stripped out. I've already gotten 5 of them out. The 6th one is still in there. Our second issue is that all of these spokes are seized. I've tried vice gripping them, I've tried WD-40, but I cannot break these loose. So what I'm gonna do is just cut it. Just cut all of these off. And I went ahead and bought new spokes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get new rims too because I want black ones. I was just gonna go get these powder coated, but they have a few bends in them and everything, and I want this bike to be perfect. So we're getting new spokes and new rims. take our easy out. One of those guys right there. Just put her in. The hole we just drilled. Start to tap it in. You want to tap it in far so it bites. Over the other way. Just like that, we got it out. We got our hubs out. We're gonna go ahead and take these to the powder coaters, get them powder coated green. And like I said, I bought new spokes, I bought new rims, so we're in good shape. We'll get the wheels laced up and they're gonna look awesome.
Alright YouTube, let's go ahead and get these parts for this build. First stop's RockyMountainATV.com. First thing we're getting, steering stem bearings. We want this baby to turn. Add to cart. And then we need a linkage kit, because when you're hitting quads on a 500 two-stroke, you don't want to worry about stuff like that. Add to cart. Then wheel bearings, because we want this thing to roll like butter. And I don't know if you know this, but a bike has 2 wheels, so we need 2 kits. Add to cart. Then we got swing arm kit. We want this baby to be smooth. Add to cart. Now we got brakes, because it takes a lot to stop a 500 two-stroke. Add to cart. Now these reeds, because we want it to scream loud. Add to cart. And we got a gasket kit. Here at the YouTube channel, we're environmental. No BP oil spills here. Add to cart. And we got these Scott grips because they look awesome. And that's our theme, green and black. Add to cart. Now let's see what our total is here. Alright, 402.27. That's not too bad. Let's go ahead and check out. Now to my favorite store in the world, eBay.com. Well, that was a weird loading screen, but here we go. Rear rim, Takasago XL. Add to cart. And then we needed a front rim because, you know, we got 2 wheels to build here. Add to cart. Now let's go ahead and pick up the spokes. These are about the only ones I found that came with green nipples. So we're going to head throw those in the cart. And then we need another kit for the front end. Right there. Awesome. So, add to cart. Now, Wiseco top end kit. These things are magnificent. I love those Wiseco bags. You guys already know that. It's gonna hold so much change. Add to cart. We need a Boyson cover because, you know, we want the bike to be fast and this thing adds about 10 horsepower. Add to cart. Now this is probably a pretty important step right here. We got all new bolts because I stripped out about half of them, taking the damn thing apart. And if you guys are building a bike, I highly suggest getting a bolt kit. They're awesome. Add to cart. Now, we need a Renthal sprocket, because, we're ricing out. Anything that's green, we're putting on the bike. Just green everything. That's the theme. Kawasaki green. Add to cart. Then we got these Renthal bars, and there's some fatties, because I'll probably be, wrecking this thing, and I don't want the bars to bend. We'll go ahead and add those to the cart. Oh, and does anyone know what this means? The bend? Like, does anyone just know, like, oh, you know what bend I want? I want to read bend. Like, how the hell are you supposed to know what kind of bend it is just by the guy's name? Like, do you just watch that much dirt bike racing? Like, holy shit. I just went with read because I don't even know, man. And then we need some, bar mounts, because since we're going with the fatter handlebars, we need some fatter mounts. I'm going to go ahead and throw those in the cart because, they're green and stuff. That's the theme right now. And then we got some cheapo depot, levers. Breakaway, looking pretty sharp. Add to cart. Now we got a little oil reservoir. Green as could be. Outlaw racing. Add to cart. Now we need new brake lines because our other ones aren't green. And we want the new ones to be green. That's a pretty good reason, huh? Add to cart. And then look at these cool little brake line holders. It's going to look awesome on the swing arm. Go ahead and throw those in the cart because the plastic ones are just trash, A little brake swivel action going on. Only reason being because it's green. And we need an oil plug because our other ones are not green or metal. It's crazy. So add to cart. Got a new shifter. This one looks pretty good to me. Go ahead and throw that in the cart. New radiator tubes. Because I want this engine to pop, guys. I want so much color pop. It's going to be crazy. Add to cart. These are swing arm stickers. I think it's going to look good on that powder coated swing arm. Add to cart. New seat cover. I never went with a ribbed one before. I've always wanted one, but, when in Rome, right? Ribbed pleasure. Add to cart. Now let's go ahead and see what our total is. $14.25. My God, I think we broke a record on how much to spend on one single bike build. Go to checkout.
I just want to let you know, I'm giving away these Tech 3 boots to one lucky viewer. You only have to do 3 things. Subscribe, turn notifications on, and follow me on Instagram. David was our last winner for the goggles. He seems pretty happy.
Yo, thank you so much, Diedrich, for the goggles. They're amazing.
So hit that subscribe button.